Question number 1. Who was the first governor of Reserve Bank of India from Indian origin? Answer. C.D. Deshmukh. Question number 2. Where is the headquarter of Reserve Bank of India? Answer. Mumbai. Question number 3. The Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in. Answer. The 1st of January 1949. Question number 4. When was the first phase of nationalization done? Answer. The 9th of July 1969. Question number 5. When was Indian Banking Act come into force? Answer. 1949. Question number 6. Which of the following is true about the functions performed by RBI? Answer. All the above. Question number 7. What is the minimum limit of CRR that can be set by the RBI? Answer. No limit. Question number 8. When was the RBI Act amended to establish the Monetary Policy Committee? Answer. 2016. Question number 9. Dear money policy of central bank, which is used to keep the growth steady and in line with other economic factors, refers to. Answer. Tighten the money supply in the economy. Question number 10. What is the frequency of publishing of the report on management of forex exchange reserves, FAR, by RBI? Answer. Half year. Question number 11. What is the currency deposit ratio, CDR? Answer. Ratio of money held by the public in currency to that of money held in bank deposits. Question number 12. In India, the system of decimal coinage was introduced on. Answer. The 26th of January 1950. Question number 13. The interest rate at which the RBI lends to commercial banks in the short term to maintain liquidity is known as. Answer. Repo rate. Question number 14. The primary purpose of the RBI monetary policy is to maintain. Answer. Price stability. Question number 15. Which statement is correct for the government budget from the below given option? Answer. The budget is the estimated statement for the expected annual expenses and income. Question number 16. Which of these receipts is an example of non-tax revenue? Answer. Fines and fees. Question number 17. Which of the following budgets suits developing economies including India? Answer. Deficit budget. Question number 18. Income tax, corporate tax, inheritance tax, etc. are incident on the person or organization. These taxes are called. Answer. Direct tax. Question number 19. Financial year in India is. Answer. April 1st to March 31st. Question number 20. Which is included in the direct tax? Answer. Income tax.